rest. Whoa, what was that? Yo, bro, what happened? A loud noise woke me up. It woke you up? Yeah. I just heard it again. Of course you heard it. It hurt us. Guys, I think we should run. What do you mean we should run? There's a robber downstairs in Mom's room. Really? Yeah, run to the front door.